Hello everyone, this is Shazad and you're watching Shazad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to turn off screen distance on iOS 17. So guys, Apple bring this feature to protect your eyes. So if you want to turn off, just simply tap on settings. So first of all, you can check that you have updated to the latest version. So just simply tap on settings and here you can appear on the screen about section and software update. So just simply tap on about and now you can see iOS 17.0.1 is up to date. So just go back again, just simply tap on settings and now you can appear on the screen time option. Just simply tap on here and here you can see that screen distance, so reduce eye strain. So just simply tap on it and now you can see screen distance. So to reduce eye strain and take risk of in children, screen distance will allow you to hold an iPhone or iPad with Face ID at a recommended distance. So if you want to close it, just simply toggle off and go back and enjoy your device. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more tech videos. Thanks for watching.